What kind of animal is that? I wonder if it's good to eat. Come on.
There's that tree break right directly in front of me. Right there.
Yeah. There's a lot of twist breaks in here, too. My ears ringing. Ooh. What are you looking at?
Something to knock with?
Looks like there's stuff on the edge right here. Although these are stuff you freeze to knock with on.
Whoop! Whoop! I thought I saw some eye shine back in there just now. I don't see it now, but
I thought I saw a glow earlier, but I wasn't sure if it was on our light.
I just saw like two different ones that look like eyes reflecting,
Oh, cool.
but I don't see it now. I mean, I just saw it for just a second. Oh wait, there, I just saw it again. It moved to the right.
Did you? Good shit.
It's down right there. It's down,
Okay, I thought I saw
See
a
it?
shadow over there.
right there. It's right in that spot. I just saw it move. It was eye shine.
High, low.
Well, I can't tell because it slopes down.
Yeah.
It looked like it just moved to the right again. Yeah, it moved to the right twice now. Yeah, I just saw it again. It's back right in there, behind a tree. It's see that opening?
Yep.
It's on the left side of that opening. There's
Okay.
it's back a little ways.
So it's gonna stay far back enough to try to stay out of our light.
Yeah, it's amazing how they know how far to be where you can't see them, even with a light shining. Oh, I saw it again.
Yeah, we got something over here too.
Yep, right there.
It's moving back in here.
There's eye shine,
or
back in
shadow.
here. I saw more than one originally. It's on back. I just saw a flicker again. You see that? See that little tree on back?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
about that far back. Or it was. I don't know if it's moved again or not.
Oh, no, you caught. I saw eye shine as you turned to look.
Oh,
at me.
I saw it just now, right there. I can see it.
You guys are taller than they can you see.
Oh, now I don't see it again. Huh.
Open your right vision.
I just keep getting a glimpse and then it disappears.
There's something right there.
You saw it?
There's two sets of eyes.
Yeah, I saw two of them.
Down in here that's ducking down.
Yep.
Keeps moving and ducking right directly straight out from you.
Because it started out like right in here, and then they
Over
moved.
here.
They moved to the right. They were right here originally.
You got another set of eyes right here.
Yeah, but there was
And it
eye
drops-
closed just over here.
It drops down pretty good, so it's hard telling how high up they are. You can see it just drops down on the other side there.
This drops down. I thought this section was pretty flat until you
This-
went that
See
way.
that log right there? You can't see anything past that log right there.
There's a little
it looks like it
shoal.
slopes.
Gotcha.
Definitely have eyes there. Take it off, I can see. Right directly down there, I can see two eyes.
I saw eye glow a couple times, and then it disappeared on me.
But when, like, you look that way, the marina's over there, and I don't know if those are dock lights.
Well, when I
This
saw
was moving.
it moved to the right.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it was moving.
I saw it move to the right. Because it started out originally, I saw it right there, and then it moved over to there, and then I saw it move to the right from there, but I never saw it again after that. But when I saw it right here, I saw at least two, and it wasn't the same one. It was like one here and one over there. I don't see anything now.
I don't either.
Well, if we go to the bottom, we should be able to look down in that valley, in behind the lake, without going up the hill. It's tires. Just the hum of the tires.
That was a snap behind us. Yeah, it snapped over here on this side.
How's that for a call? I've never heard that call before.
That's the part that freaks you out when you think about it. So that snap was directly behind us.
Well, I wouldn't doubt there's on both sides.
Oh, no doubt.
You get one side distracted you while the other one gets in closer and gets a look.
That's what we try to get around.
Wow, Lynn. Very nice audio. I like this stuff right over here. Red. You get red flags over here. Red flag. This is a red flash. What was that glow down on the ground? Anybody see that?
Mm-mm.
Like something's literally laying on the ground. Like I just saw eye shine on the ground. Like it's laying down. Like right at the lip. Which is kind of genius if you think about it.
Yeah.
It was right here in front of us. on the ground. Two white glowing eyes things. So annoying when you just see flashes of things. Come on, man.
If there's a Bigfoot, can you just
Just stay
say,
still for 5 minutes.
say something?
Yeah,
real
yeah.
quick?
Can you just say hi? Make this easy.
When we went back that Buckeye Trail last night, somebody had put oranges up in the trees.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I had seen that
I
today.
put oranges out and they've never been touched.
Yeah, I couldn't tell where any of them had been messed with, but there's about 6 or 8 of them.
Oh, wow. I
Some
even
of 'em-
tried putting out apples and you didn't touch them.
What I wanted to do is take a like fishing line and make a hook and then hang it on a branch so it's like 8 feet in the air, so deer or anything can't get it.
Right, exactly. That's what we did. Yep, we used to put peanut butter and jelly sandwiches in a bucket up in the tree and hang it,
Yeah.
and gone.
Hmm.
Gone. It was crazy. So unless a raccoon climbed a tree and jumped and dove into the bucket, we don't know how anything got to it.
Yeah. Because I never understood people that go out and put it on a tree stump and they come back.
anything can get
Look,
that.
it's gone.
Yeah, it
What
could have
does
been
that
a
prove?
raccoon, it could
We
have
used
been
to
a
put
squirrel.
sandwiches in Tupperware with the lid snapped on,
Yeah,
come out,
yeah.
and they take the lid off.
Yeah.
So I stood out there and I showed them, like with the assumption they were watching me. And I'm like, look, see this little lip? And I'm doing this whole demonstration. So just to see what would happen, put the Tupperware out. And this was like one of those Tupperware things where I have to fight it.
Yeah.
I'll be damned. We had 8 sandwiches in there. We put it out. A little while later, we waited. We went back out. We had a recorder out there. We went back out. They took the lid off. The sandwiches were gone, and the lid was back on. And snapshot. On the recording, you hear him. And the one, we know it's the alpha male. We call him Grunt. His nose is so smashed. The poor thing, he sounds like he's got like,
Oh yeah.
you know, he breathes like, but you hear the girls, whoop, whoop. And then we've gotten chatter, whistles.
The best is when they take the recorder.
Yeah, we've had them take our recorder.
Huh.
Yeah. Yep. We've had them take it and then tap on it. We get an hour of this on our recorder.
The one night we put it in a bag, we had to go find the recorder.
Put it in a
They'll
baggie.
take it sometimes and put it back.
What I've been thinking about doing is taking a trail cam and put it in a dumpster or in a trash can, because you know the theory is they can see the IR. Well, they
Right.
wouldn't see it until they raise the
Until they
lid, and
raised
it's
it.
too late.
We thought that too.
We have a different theory,
Oh yeah.
different theory on the trail camera.
What do you think it is?
They can hear it,
Well, that's the other thing. If it's in a dumpster, that should muffle the sound. I
You
would
would
think.
think.
but they're saying that the microprocessor inside of it, even when it's not active, just from it being powered up, puts off like 9 to 11 decibels.
Yeah, I think Rush Jones went and talked to a specialist to find
Yeah,
out,
because I was going back and forth with him, and he actually went to
to ask.
Recon.
Yeah.
He went to Recon, which is the company that makes makes that particular trail camera.
Mm-hmm.
We got something walking right here. I just heard a heavy breath. And they actually gave him the specs on it. I think it was somewhere between 9 and 11 decibels. Something physically just moved right here.
Let's hope it's just stand here bullshitting, so they kind of like, really go. They'll get that up with us standing there long enough. something's not standing that close to me,
Yeah.
I'm fucking running.
I'm used to having to say something like you guys something.
Oh, I know. Yeah, yeah. The audio too. You want to sometimes say that was me. It was funny. So the one night it was all of us girls. So we're sitting in our circle, and all this is started. So the girl across from me, her stomach goes. Whoa. I looked at her. I said, "Is that you?" She goes, "Yeah, it's my stomach." Every single one of us. It was like our stomachs were talking to each other. And finally, the last girl, hers finally went, "Whoa, whoa," and she goes, "That was mine." It was so all of our recording all those few years, everybody's stomach turning.
Well, here's something you could do. You get a metal trash can and put something in there that they seem to like. If you have a creek, put it near a creek, so
Yeah.
that would muffle the
Yeah,
sound.
right.
And then do that several times, and then put the trail cam in where they're used to being able to open it and get something out.
Right. We tried encasing it in concrete. We did, and then he thought, all right, if we take a pan and we put it, like, kind of hide it under. I just saw something glowing to my right. I caught it right out the corner of my eye. We thought about putting it under plexiglass, and then putting plexiglass, and then like with the sandwiches, because by the time they reach in to get the sandwich, the trail cam's already got them.
Yeah, yeah.
I
That's a good
said
idea.
we tried hanging it way up in a tree, facing down. I'm like, I don't even care if I get the top of one's head or just a hairy foot.
Yeah.
Like just something. Tried that. Nope. All right. So ratchet straps.
Mm-hmm.
So we took. They had torn the regular straps on our trail cam and ripped it right off the tree. So he took ratchet straps and we strapped it to the tree. They literally tore the ratchet strap like in half, like it was nothing. And we found the trail cam on the ground with a torn ratchet strap.
The other thing they do, they walk up to it and just push it around.
Yeah, I've
Yeah,
heard
they'll
that
push
too.
it
though.
around.
Turn.
Yep.
I've heard them doing that with motion lights too.
Yep.
Just turn them or unscrew them.
Is
Reach
it
up
me
and
or did it
unscrew
get
'em.
hot? I want to whistle so bad, but the last time I did that, it brought me bad business.
I always wish I could do that where you go real loud.
Well, because I can't walk, so I used to whistle to them all the time and teach them whistles. But I don't do it at night anymore because I brought some really bad shit to me whistling. So
Bad
Native
mojo, huh?
Americans are like, you don't ever whistle at night. I just figured that was their beliefs because they're so,
Yeah.
and I used to do it all the time. Wow. They weren't shitting. I brought the wrath of hell down on me, and I'm like, I will never do it again. Now, was it the whistling? I don't know. But nonetheless, I'm not doing it.
That's the sound they've never heard before.
Yeah, that's why they're probably curious. They're probably just watching. We had to make this sound. They went.
I have never heard an old man blow his nose like that before in my life.
We had them go one night. They were only 5 feet in the tree line, and we were standing there, and it went, whoa. Like you would if you'd like something, and you went,
Yeah.
whoa. So I went, whoa, back at it. Well, this thing let out a yell, like, whack! Like this high-pitched, like short bursted scream, and then cracked the tree. And here a tree came, and I'm like, well, I don't know what I just said to it, but apparently it didn't like it.
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm not doing that again. I guess I shouldn't have mimicked it.
Yeah, I remember this one group I follow. They always do live, and all these people in the channel to say, go look behind that tree or go over that ridge, and they're telling them what to do. And this one person said to say some Native American word, said to yell it out. And somebody goes, well, how do you even know what it means? What does that mean? And I said, it means I challenge you to a fight to the death.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
you don't know. You don't know what the word
You
means.
don't know, and you don't know what they're saying. And I said, we're mimicking them. We have no idea what the hell we're saying to them. But, I mean, the sound it made at me sounded harmless. It was just, woo. So I did it back, and,
She was making fun of me.
I don't know if it was mad at me or it was mad because I was out there kind of going back and forth with them, and then he walked up. and I think it pissed him off that he came out.
Oh,
Because they'll communicate with me and goof off, but the minute he's with me, they don't like it. We were,
Like we'll usually, like if we go out, I'll usually like when
he'll
we're
stand back from me.
I'll stay like 25 yards off of her
Hmm.
and let her. So I'm close enough that if I need to get to her, I can. But
yeah,
Yeah,
for the most part, I send her out as bait.
yeah.
pretty much. The love we have for one another.
I always check, make sure life insurance is signed.
There you go.
Well, it was really weird. So I was looking at 2 sets of eye glow. Well, 2 of them come in all the time. I know it's our 2 adult females because I've gotten their prints, and they go 15 feet in, and they always get behind the one tree, and they'll wait when I'm putting out. Well, we don't feed them anymore. This is when we first started. We didn't know any better, and they'll stand there, and I'll talk to them, and they'll whistle back and forth to me and whatnot. Well, he happened to walk up, and there's this thick, almost like they made a blind on this side of our trail, and I'm on this side looking at them. So he walks up and he's standing there. Well, when I spun around, there was something right on the other side from him, and its eyes all of a sudden went bright, glowing red. And I said, because we hadn't seen the male in a while, and I said, I wonder, we call him Grunt. I said, I wonder where Grunt is. Well, I said to Steve, I'm like, I found Grunt. Did you see that?
Yeah, where is that?
We just had eye glow.
Is
Look,
that
look,
what
look.
that was?
Yep, it's on the ground.
Yep, I
Steve,
see
we
it.
got eye glow.
I see it. Yep.
It's crawling on the ground. That's
I mean,
what I
that
saw
was
earlier.
it was literally glowing.
Yep. It was standing, or at least like this. Like it was like 3 foot high, and then it dropped to the ground when we all turned and looked.
Is that the red?
Now it was white eye glow.
Okay, I saw something red.
Oh, now I saw the red earlier, but it was higher.
Yeah, it was higher. and
The
it looked-
red,
it
well,
looked like
that's the
fire.
alpha.
Yeah, it was definitely higher than the
So
other
the
ones.
one thing we figured out is the females, their eyes glow white, which is what we just saw. But I saw red eye glow. That's normally the alpha male of the clan. So when you see the red, that's the male.
The red is now down further. It's the same thing I saw. I think it's just
Okay.
Oh, yeah, I saw one by the ground.
Yep, we got company. Yeah, because she was, I think it was like this, like, like about 3 foot, like crouched. And then when we all turned, it dropped to the ground again.
Yeah. They're hanging out over there.
Yeah, they were.
Yeah, when you said that and I looked, I mean, it wasn't like I shine because there's nobody shining
It's
the light.
glow, it's
Yeah,
all
it's like a
glow.
glow on its
Yep.
own. That was crazy.
Money they get from the BFRO. They have eye glow. Those were bullshit. Then you know, he turned around and posted it about them having eye glow. And I thought, really?
I don't
There it is,
like
there
the
it is.
BFRO.
It's on the ground. I just saw it again. There it is. There it is.
I mean, when your name is Moneymaker,
Yeah, I know. It keeps lighting and then going out and lighting
yeah,
and going
I saw
out.
it. I saw it. Yep.
Oh, so it's a female and a male. Woo! 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 Don't get me at the
I see like a couple of them. I see more than one. I mean, not constantly. I've caught
Okay.
glimpses.
Yeah, I've only seen the one white eye glow, and I saw the one red one.
I mean,
earlier.
just now I saw like one over here and one over here.
Okay.
Just like they blinked, opened their eyes and blinked.
Okay. That'll get your adrenaline going.
Yeah.
I see the red. I got red eyes. And over towards me. He lights up. See him? See him?
I don't see it.
He lights. See him?
Oh
See
yeah.
him? See him?
Yeah.
There's him there. There he is. Light dimmed him. There he is.
Yep.
Behind you, where I can.
Yeah,
I don't want to
he's-
block your view, but I want to see
No,
what
no,
you're
go ahead.
seeing.
I've seen it, so I'd rather you guys see it. Yeah, he's lighting and it goes out. Is there 2?
Yeah, looks
Okay.
like
Yeah, I've seen
one
a couple.
Okay.
But when you said that, when you guys said I see glow, and I turned around, that was way higher than the other one
Yeah.
Yeah.
that
Yep.
I've seen.
Yep. And
And I've seen it a couple times, like you said, like, it looks like it's literally on the ground.
Exactly. Yep.
I mean, it almost looks like he set a flashlight on the
Yep.
on the ground.
What's weird is when you crouch like that, and then you see it stand up, and all of a sudden it just keeps going
Yeah.
and going and going.
Yeah,
The first time I saw that, I almost shit my pants.
I'm thinking there's 2 or 3 back in there.
Yeah, I think so too. Like when Fran came to see what's happening.
And there may be some on behind us too.
I know there's some on this side because we kept hearing that.
Like I said, I think they distract you on one side and the other ones can move in and get a better look.
Yep. They'll get irritated that we've been standing here so long. You watch.
That's all right. I'd like to hear some kind of intimidation.
Careful what you wish
I just want to hear something.
Yeah,
about
yeah.
that.
Well, I mean, at this point, I can't rule out that it could be a deer back. I mean, it's not likely, but I can't say, well, that's definitely
Did
a
anybody
Bigfoot.
just hear the bang behind us? Please tell me somebody else heard that besides me. Okay.
But if I hear some kind of vocalization, then I'll be like, okay, that's the real deal.
A whoop would be great. Nice little whoop whoop. We weren't expecting it.
Go to the left. Back out there. Probably chase after Gary, if he would move.
No harm intended. See how they kind of chill when you stop talking? It's when you're just bullshitting.
Mhm.
It seems to be when
Yeah.
they come in. Especially if you're like they don't even have a good time. They're kind of like, what are they talking about? What are they laughing at?
I caught a glimpse just now.
Yeah, I
again.
did too.
I just
Oh,
did you hear
Did you
that?
hear that?
Yeah.
That was a bush tree moving.
Yeah. Oh, I saw it again. It's looked closer this time.
Tree starts to go over. I'm running. I don't know about y'all. He's shaking a tree. It's shaking that tree.
Which one?
Back up a little bit.
Where at?
That's what I said. Don't get that up there standing there long enough in that tree. They'll take the tree out.
I keep getting little flashes just off and on. Like one eye, like maybe they're peeking
Oh,
around the tree.
That
or,
was over here. That was behind us. Oh, guys, something's really moving over here.
over here.
Behind you, yeah.
Did I just whack you with the horn? Sorry.
I'm like, why am I standing in the back by myself? Stop doing that. Something got mad over here. That was definitely a little tree shake over there.
I'd love to hear some kind of vocalization.
I know, I wish they'd let out a whoop, a yell.
Grunt, anything.
Say hey.
Yeah, hey. You know, they were known to say hey.
Yeah.
What's up? We've heard the hey. I even got in my recorder where we've gotten hey. And the only other, I just saw the glow again. The only other thing, like I said, we call our alpha male grunt. So I'm always like, hey grunt, how are you? Whatever. Him and I are walking one night and we hear grunt. Like he was trying to say it. And we caught it twice and he's never done it since then. It's been 8 years. Yeah, done it twice. That was crazy.
Hey!
Fucking shit out of me.
It's a warning.
I heard that.
Yeah, let's try not to piss off the 9-foot hairy guy.
Yeah, who knows what hay
Let's
means in
be
Sasquatch?
friendly. Yeah, we're friendly. How about the night we heard one go? It had to be the girls. They went woo whoop. I'm like, that was the cutest thing I've ever heard. I don't know what she was saying, but yeah, woo whoop.
In front?
There's stuff
Wait.
moving all around us at this point.
Yeah, I was gonna say I thought I just heard something walking to the left.
I still keep catching little flashes every now and then over there,
Mhm. Yep.
close to the ground.
Oh, Steve. She's gonna try to get us killed.
If I die, my mom's gonna find me.
I saw this meme that says that if you come across an aggressive Sasquatch, to climb a tree and do a atomic
Yeah.
power blow or whatever.
It's a
Said
cartoon.
better to die a man's death.
Yeah, no.
You do know our escape route is through the haunted forest, right?
Yeah, right? I was wondering if we should start walking back and see if they follow.
We can.
I mean, we'll
Okay.
just walk a little bit and stop.
They might give us some lip when we get
Yeah, a lot of times when you go to leave, that's when they want to lip up.
Let's get back up there.
That's what happened to us. That one didn't want us to leave. It was weird.
Thank you.
All right, we're just going to walk a little bit.
Psych.
You guys want to follow like you can.